In this video, you'll learn how to resolve login errors on Stan Store. This guide will walk you through several steps to troubleshoot and fix the issue effectively. Start by checking your credentials to ensure they are correct. Verify your username or email address and password. Pay close attention to any potential typos, extra spaces, or whether the caps lock key is activated. A simple mistake in these fields can prevent you from accessing your account. Next, if you find that your credentials are correct but still cannot log in, consider resetting your password. On the login page, look for the link that says "Forgot your password." Click on it. You will be prompted to enter your email address associated with your account. Follow the instructions sent to your email to reset your password. After resetting your password, if you are still encountering issues, clear your browser's cache and cookies. This can often resolve login problems caused by outdated data. Additionally, try logging in using a different browser or in incognito or private mode. This helps identify if the issue is browser specific. If changing browsers does not resolve the issue, you may have browser extensions or a VPN that is interfering with the login process. Temporarily disable any active VPNs or browser extensions and attempt to log in again. This step can help determine if these tools are causing the login error. If you have completed all the previous steps and still cannot log in, the next option is to contact Stan Store support for further assistance. Navigate to the section labeled More and then select Help. Alternatively, you can email support at stan.store with a detailed description of the problem you're experiencing. And that completes the process. Thanks for following along. See you next time.